What's up, guys? It's another day. We'll be right back. All right, let's do this. So what we're looking for right now is, I'd like this 30 minutes to close above this support. If it does, it's gonna most likely 80% chance it's gonna continue going up to fill this wick right here, and that'll be the target. Now if it closes below, it should continue falling now. Closed at just the support. Look at EA. EA looks like it's respecting this 4-hour resistance, which is a support right now. Wow. It's crazy. What we're gonna do is check Forex Factory right now, see what's happening. Ooh, a lot of Euro news. Greater should be good. Loss. So basically EA is taking a hit right now.
Morning, boys.
Hello. Good morning.
How are you? How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good, very good.
You fell asleep, huh?
Yeah.
I
How do you know?
I know you've been turning up. This whole
I've been
week.
doing well.
Turning up,
What does that mean?
like partying. This whole week. You and Sean.
Just a minute. No, man. Okay. To be honest, last thing we saw last night before going to bed was Uncle Ted's breakout of our gold.
Nice.
And we've been studying them.
Yeah,
We've been watching the videos.
I like how you guys been like just studying, you know, like every day.
Yeah.
I like that. That's good. That's good.
Yeah, it is good.
Oh, you watched Uncle Ted videos?
We were watching Raki's video, but yesterday then we watched his breakdown on gold.
Oh, Raki. Uncle Ted was doing the breakdown. Or
yes,
Ted.
yes.
Okay.
No, Uncle Ted was doing the breakdown.
Okay. Yeah, watch Uncle Ted videos, like the old ones.
Yeah.
When you heading back, Omar?
Tomorrow.
Nice. How far is the drive again?
3.5 hours. It's a beautiful drive, man.
Oh, nice. I think Farhan wanted to do a simulation on the weekends, but I don't know. I think he might be tired from the drive.
Who? Me?
Yeah.
No, man. Good. We can do it. We can do it for sure.
Okay, no problem.
We can do it for sure. Yeah, no problem.
So, what I'm looking for is if this 30 minutes somehow pulls back just at the top of this support, it's gonna most likely continue up to fill this wick. But if it doesn't, it's gonna most likely fall down to the support. But my bias is biased because this one 4 hour broke like 3 4 hours, and this one broke the previous one too, and closed a doji. So every time this closes a doji bullish, this candle usually looks up like flies. You know,
Open the 30-minute, yeah? Can I see?
30 minutes. So if this one pulls back up and close here, it's still at a resistance, yeah, but it would be on top of the 1 hour support. So
It's gonna do the 1 hour wick fill.
yeah, for sure.
Yeah, this 30 minutes shouldn't have come down, or this 15 minute, but
yeah,
let's see.
let's see. Finally, the withdrawal worked.
Oh, very good.
Yes.
So you're still doing demo right now, right?
Yes. I just hope, like, the rest of the days that are coming, it's not gonna be like low volume, you know.
And the next few days are very, very
Volatile.
yeah.
That's where the money is.
That's where the money is. So how's your day? Yesterday. Good.
Oh, yesterday? Yeah. Just get told at work to just they keep giving me more work and work every single day. You know how it is, you know, when you work for someone,
Yeah.
the work always increases, it never goes less, and they expect you to do like almost double the work for the same amount of pay, which is
true.
bullshit. How was your day? I mean, yesterday. What'd you do after trading?
Man, I was working till 3 o'clock, around 3:30, my own thing.
Yeah.
My office work.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, we just had some food. We went out. We took kids to the park, and came home. Had dinner. Watched a movie.
What movie?
It was London Boulevard.
London Boulevard? What?
Yeah, London Boulevard. Yeah, I think that was the Colin Farrell in it.
Shit.
It's a nice movie. Yeah. And then after that, me and Shan, at 9 o'clock, we started grinding, the market fluidity videos and everything. Every time I realize I've watched them before, but every time you watch them again, there's something new that you pick something new from it, right?
Yes. Because like your brains like forget somehow, you know.
That's true. That's true.
And yeah, like yesterday when you told me, I think you said something, and then I went and I started watching Rikio videos too. You know the teachable one, market fluidity teachable.
Yeah.
I'm gonna finish that, hopefully get to 100%, you know, graduate.
Yeah. Graduate, yeah. Watch it's the last few topics are very good. Where it says rejection in the zones. There's rejection in the zones. There was trading plan. No, the last rejection plans, and there was one before that. I totally forgot. It says quite a lot about trading the trends and rejections in the zone. And if you go watch them, because it is exactly what it explains what we're doing these days right now. like impulse entries and all that, right?
Mm-hmm.
So how to manage those basically.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah. The usually, the trades that we are okay, here's the thing. Now what he has been, the last trade that I was looking at, the last topic. You see what happens is when we see, let's say, when a candle, the first of all, he keeps saying again and again, wait for a candle to close, right?
Yes.
For instance, if we had to take, let's say, right now, wherever we are right now,
But sometimes he says like wait for the candle to close, but sometimes he said wait for the confirmation like candle, like as a second
yes,
candle, and sometimes wait for the wick to break. You know.
yes, yeah, that's right. But at the same time, he's saying that, with time, it's like I'm looking GJ at the last 4 years, right? It's like with time, you will start to understand that you can have an impulse entry, but I mean, he has created that course for the, let's say, newbies, right?
Mm-hmm.
So in that, he is like, because sometimes if you see, we take a trade when we're waiting for the wick to break and then get ourselves entries, right?
Mm-hmm.
But he's like, you have got a confirmation. Let's say, let's imagine, right? If we had to wait, the three candles that are, if you open 30 minutes, I'll just, yeah. Let's say we wanted to get into cells, right? Let's assume we wanted to get into cells, and this, the current candle and the candle before that, let's suppose, right? When it closed, and if you were to wait to take a trade, he said that just take a trade when you have a confirmation candle that's closed. If you take it when the wick breaks, there are a couple of things. It's like your impulse entry, which is fine, but it will come with time. Secondly, when we're taking an impulse entry, we are forgetting sometimes that our stop loss is getting bigger and our profits are getting smaller.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And that's what usually stops us out.
Mm-hmm.
That we look for the, because you see, if we have our analysis, we made our analysis, we should just enter as soon as the candle stops and we get into the next candle, right?
Yeah.
Otherwise it means we are not sure for our analysis basically.
Yeah. Yeah,
Right?
You're right.
So let's see.
But sometimes, like looking at different time frames, it also like deceives you,
Yeah. So again, he says that, okay, one more thing that I have to, when you go the video, watch it, and then we can discuss about it. He's like, if you say, if you think the daily is bullish, and 4 hours is bullish, but you see 1 hour and 30 minutes are bearish, right? I would say go with the trend that's for 1 hour and 30 minutes. He's like, because this 1 hour and 30 minutes is
telling the
sort of making its way up to change the whole trend of the daily and the 4 hour, right? The 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the daily will not all by itself change. It will change on the basis of the smaller time frames, right? They will build up to change the bigger time frame. So that's why, anyways, you watch it, so you will sort of so we'll be on the same page, right? So we can just, so that's what, so what's going on here now?
Uncle Ted, like what he said is like, you always want to know the story from the higher time frame.
Yeah.
So and I guess you look for the smaller time frame for the movements.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess, but then I think you're gonna have to just keep trying to envision how the candle's gonna print out when you're looking. I don't know, like at 15 minutes, we always get confused,
And he kept saying again and again in different parts that don't never ever just avoid 15-minute confirmations, because they're always gonna fuck you up basically. It's like 30 minutes or 1 hour, 4 hour, perfect, but 15 minutes is like the dangerous dangerous candles. And if you remember, Noran, in the first, when I think about June, in July, the Prophet al-Manzar, we were always waiting for a 30-minute candles. We were
Yeah.
we were just, okay, we were looking at 15 minutes in terms of just where the trend is going towards and stuff like that, right? But we were taking trades on the basis of 30 minutes primarily.
For sure. Yeah, I
Yeah.
remember.
Yeah. So I think this is ranging right now.
Yeah.
I mean, it's ranging in a way.
Going back into the dirty range.
Yeah.
Dirty traffic.
Yeah, but at the same time, gold is dropping too. So I don't know.
Yeah, gold drive GU.
Mm.
See, like gold right now, the weekly tapped onto the weekly resistance,
See.
and this could just hang.
Yeah.
If GU falls, I'm gonna be sad.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's supposed to go up. And now it's dropping because gold is driving it down. Oh yeah, it's gonna drop. Because looking at EA right here. Yeah, on the daily time frame, we have like this.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
I just woke up.
How's the dreams?
Huh? How's the dreams?
I just closed my alarm and I was just sleeping. Just woke up.
Yeah, so this daily on EA, it broke the resistance and broke the support, made a resistance, came down, a retest, made the retest, and now the daily is pushing up. It looks like clean traffic to continue going up, retest this area back up. That's EA. So right now, this could possibly go up like this, fall down like that onto this area here, and then go up. So if EA is going up, GU's is falling, right?
Yeah. I'm thinking to order this mask for me.
Survivor
this
of
one.
the Nice. Oh, but Omar, see, like, you know how like a support looks like this, right? And then imagine like a few more candles to the upside, right?
Yeah.
So when you look at the smaller time frame, like an hourly, no, or
Yeah.
like 4 hour. If you look at the 4 hour, this is a perfect example of fake out.
Yeah.
Like if it does what I did, then that's a fake out. But on the higher time frame, the daily, it would look like the candle just making a support to go up.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
So we're looking at EA.
No,
GU.
no, GU, but
GU.
like, we're taking our directions, hints from EA.
Okay, so but it was a bullish trend, and like, are you thinking like this 4-hour candle will start rejecting and going in a bullish direction?
Yes, but now I'm looking at this, and the daily broke the daily low, right?
And
at the support.
Also, it's a clean traffic on the, what time frame was it?
Clean traffic.
That was already daily.
Yes, on the daily clean traffic. This one could still just make a big ass wick to the top.
Yeah. What did the 4 hour do? 4 hours still.
Yeah.
It's the new 4 hour candle, right?
Yeah. So This 4 hour, like I was telling Omar, it broke 6 candles or 5 candles, previous ones.
Yeah.
And this one made a higher high as well. It respected the low and closed the doji, which means this has to print like a big ass candle,
Yeah.
you know? And then we'll see.
Sure, we'll open 1 hour.
Yes. So this, oh, so when I was looking at this 4 hour, I'm like, where's it gonna come down, you know, to pull back up? And I said, like, this is the wick, this is the area. So it seems like it just tapped into it, you know, just
Yeah,
now.
you're right.
Yeah, so it could also pull back.
Exactly.
So now you see on a 30-minute, we have to see it has made a new higher, right? The big candle.
Yeah,
And I think it might make a support round here
yeah,
to go up around the
Possibly.
same area. Yeah.
yes, like a next 15 minutes candle breaks that, or if this one flips, then
Yeah.
but sells, say if we want to go into sells, we would need to take sells
Yeah.
just below the 1 hour support right here. Right?
Yeah.
Because that's the daily low. So if the daily low, wait, no, the daily low is already broken. Yeah, it would be this low. Uncle Ted said that when you get better, you will have the willingness to make rules, and I agree with that.
Sorry. Come again.
He said
Yes.
when you get better, you have the willingness to make rules.
That's true. That's such a good thing to say.
I
Because then
know.
you start making your own rules and your strategy.
I know, but also it's not good too, right?
Yeah.
Because like,
Yeah. You have to
Stick
follow
to
the main
something.
fundamental basic rules, right? Like
Yes.
no overtrading, be disciplined and whatnot, right? That's for sure. But yeah, in terms of how you enter and where you take your entries and what's your analysis and like
Yeah.
yeah, but I think it's just that it will come with time.
For sure.
I think right now, even if you open 30 minutes, this is gonna. I think this area is gonna be supported. The next 30 minute, if it supports this area, the next 30-minute closes like a bullish candle above this area. We can get into.
I would only get in if this 30 minutes breaks. And that also is not a good spot. Like even if we know, okay, talking back about Rakil earlier about saying like, the stop loss will be bigger, right? So we should take it from the smaller time frame, right?
30 minutes, yeah.
30 minutes?
Yeah.
But I swear he takes around 15.
Yeah, he says there are times when you can do it, right? But he's like, I would not suggest to, he's like, with time you'll understand but you know, I don't know what the time is. But he's like, I started taking impulse entries after 8 or 9 months of trading.
Okay, well, we've been like almost a year, so
Yeah.
I think we can do it on 15 minutes.
No, but he's still talking about 30 because he was not doing any of his things on a 15 minute. So, but he's like, yeah, you can still cut your losses on 15 minutes. Keep your losses small.
Okay, so like right now, how it looks in 15 and 30 minutes is it's in the range too, you know. Like the best way is we wait for it till it breaks up.
How big is this range between these two lines? It's a big ass range.
Yeah, at least 30 pips.
And your and I think your resistance should be a little higher where these two.
The wicks are, yeah. But
not the wick, where these two bearish and bullish candles, they're up here, right here, yeah.
Yeah. But see, like Rick Hill is how he maps out the 15 minutes. It's like this.
Yeah. So you can do it. You can. Yeah.
You know, it's like a zone to zone.
Yeah. And he would just do the very recent zones.
Yeah.
Don't really care about the
whichever
2 years ago
traffic.
Yeah.
I know there's probably like one thing that Rick Hill knows, and only Rick Hill knows. You know, like he just keeps it to himself. Like something that he looks for. You know, and that he's confident about. But he could probably feel like if he explains it, people wouldn't do it right. Like him, you know. Uncle Ted too, probably. Most likely.
That's right.
So the 30 minutes closed. It's about to break this low. Farhan simulation session this weekend?
Yes, I'm up for it.
Okay. Sunday. Is that cool?
Done.
Alright. Because Omar is coming back
Yeah,
tomorrow.
should be
and-
good.
yeah.
Because I haven't done any with you guys.
I think we did like 2 or 3.
Yeah.
I have the simulation on my old computer, and I recently scrapped the old computer, but I don't know if I could get the key installed again, like the license.
Okay, which one was it?
Oh, the
Soft FX?
yeah, Soft FX.
So it has broken the lower low of 30 minutes.
Yes.
Okay, also one more thing which I was watching his videos yesterday, and he says that when we say it's a breakout, right? Breakout is not when it breaks the zone. The breakout you consider a breakout when it breaks the zone and closes out of the zone. Because there might be a lot of wicks that's going to break, but then they'll come back and close within the zone, right? So that's not a breakout.
Yeah, most likely I seen it with the break and close back in the zone.
Yeah. So that's yeah. And then it has happened to us quite a few times, right?
Yeah. Like for example, like
Yesterday.
you get this wick, you know, someone would probably enter and then this wicks back up, closes above. Yeah. But it, like from what I've seen, usually when it closes too, right? And it breaks, makes a breakout, it pulled back up, right? To this resistant, then it fall back down, and it would pull back up like to the tongue out, and then pull up again. Like there's never one way, you know, direction like this. If it's ever making the breakout. So the hourly low is about to be broken. The 4 hours low still respected. He broke the hourly low. I still think it's gonna go up.
But gold is falling like as a killer. See gold?
Yeah, holy. Yeah, I could see gold melting. So Farhan, what do you think? Give us the breakdown.
From so if actually this is the support which I created on the 4-hour one, where it is right now.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking it won't break and respect this 4-hour support. If it breaks the previous 4-hour, then the buy is not valid. But I really want this to pull back from this area.
Yeah. I know if this pulls back would be nice. Because it's gonna go up, retest this high.
Yeah.
But my only issue is that if it closes below, like it breaks the low of the 4 hour, what the sells, where can we take the sells down to? You know, this
Open the 30-minute. If it breaks the 3500 area, let's say, it's a clean traffic down.
30500.
Yeah, it breaks this area.
Yeah.
उतरेगा. I was assume the change code issue.
Yeah, daily low. And it would go to the
उतरेगा. 2 मिनट उतरेगा.
closest wick. Shit. It's possible it could come down to
Oh man,
here.
वापस शोशे.
30,224.
इस डॉलर में करते रहो.
Alright, I think I figured it out. So once it breaks above this hourly, no, there's a 4-hour high, which is not that far away. We could go up to fill this wick or the high over here, but if it breaks this 4-hour low, it should continue falling down to 30,200. Let's see. 4 hour seems rejecting.
Yes.
Yes.
Now this 15 minute shouldn't break the previous 15.
Yes.
That's the idea, to take a buy.
Yeah. You could. Yeah, you could take a buy if it breaks this.
Yeah. Yes, exactly.
But we're only, like, we know it's in the range, we know it's risky, but we're only anticipating the move up because we know from the higher time frames that's the direction it's gonna go to, right? From
Yes.
the 4 hour, 1 hour. I don't know about 1 hour, but see, 1 hour has 12 minutes to close. I say wait for the 30 minutes to close somehow bullish.
Okay.
Or if the next 30 minutes breaks this high.
So Noran, have you deposited the money to the new account?
No, I only withdrew from Vantage, and yesterday they sent me an email. They said they took the money out, so I'm waiting now 2-3 days. So hopefully by Monday it should be in like my account. Because I think when you deposit, it's right away, right?
Okay, I'm not sure, but we can do it through credit card, right? I just want to do
Yeah,
that.
I'm gonna do it through a credit card because debit card seems kind of risky.
Okay.
Yeah. Is everyone getting the ECN?
Yeah, lower spreads.
Nice. I'm getting it's this the other one. It's this Oceano. Fuck, I can't say it.
Okay.
The advanced one. No, I'm joking. I'm getting the ECN. I think you need like 20,000 in that one. 20 racks. Ooh, that vape is hitting hard.
Yeah. New coil.
Hey, smooth. Okay, so see how this 15 minutes. Three watching right now. Hello, whoever's watching. Say something on the chat. Where you from? Controller. Dun, 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 dun. Coffee's cold. Omar is what's his name? Ali still watch us?
I don't know. He has been busy recently, so I don't know if he's still watching it or not. He's got some guests over.
First fan.
Hmm?
The first viewer is Ali.
Yeah. I think he still watches it, but last week he has been a little off, so he's
That's
not
okay.
around.
Oh, that was in news. And 9:45, U.S. flash manufacturing PMI.
And stocks opened positive today.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
like really positive.
Somehow positive.
Oh shit, it's negative right here. One of my shares.
Yeah.
Yeah. This carnival, man. Should have sold this bullshit. It went up right here. I should have sold it here.
Looks like a no trade for us today.
That's what it seems like. That way we're just
Yeah,
gonna
it
be
is.
pushing a trade.
No. I'm a good student now.
Discipline.
Okay.
I mean, EA is coming towards a resistance, like a 4-hour resistance. So it should pull back a little bit, and if it does that, GU will make a mini support, because it's still respecting the 4-hour low.
Yeah.
But the only thing that I don't like is that it broke the previous hourly low, and it didn't go fill the wick right away. It's going up? No, it's going down. Omar, you remember when you used to want to sign up for signals?
What? Sorry, come again?
Remember when you wanted to sign up for signals?
Yeah. Which one?
Do you remember like those guys that we were talking about before when we first started trading, and then how they all have like platform, or they sell
Yeah.
information.
Yeah.
So you still follow these guys? Like see what they're up to?
No, man, I deleted. I used to follow Daniel. I used to follow the Capital Hungary. The only person I follow now is Ninel.
Nice. And what about that guy? I think he's a Persian guy.
Which one?
He has like a GTR.
Oh, I
Something.
don't know, man. I don't know. I never followed him.
Remember, he had like a post that he made like a $250,000 or something.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I just stopped following all of them. Just
It just seems bullshit because like it's not the same like same thing we're doing.
yeah.
Come on, let's go. Push up to the top. Shit. Not even a single focus candle.
I think so. It's correcting. It's coming to the weekly zone. If you go to the weekly, it's just trying to. Yes, it's trying to close below this. If it breaks the previous all 4 hours, like the other,
This way.
yeah, it's a good sell.
The low, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just clean
But we
it up.
don't know. But we don't know if it's gonna do this or not.
Yeah. We gotta wait for it to close. On the 15-minute at least. Or half an hour.
It's Friday, and it all might do its magic.
Yeah. Yeah, if it breaks this low, this no way is gonna pull back up. Wow. Wow.
What the hell?
Yeah, that's news.
What news?
It has to be. $20 pips. 5 minutes.
Farhan, how many pips?
No, I wasn't looking at it.
No, I wouldn't even recommend entering until the candle closes.
Okay. Yeah.
See, because like each time, like each time it makes a low, it pulls back up, come down, pulls back up, come down. So now this one's gonna pull back up, probably either here and go down, or here and go down.
Okay, you know where this got rejected? The big bullish candle.
This one?
Yeah. What was the overall momentum? It was the trend is overall bearish, right?
The overall trend is
Yeah.
bullish. Because it broke out of this daily resistance,
Yeah, on a daily.
and it's
on a
coming
daily.
down, doing a retest to go up. But on the 4-hour, like the current trend is bearish. I think we're entering London close soon, so that's why the GU's falling.
Usually with the London close, it goes up.
Yeah, that's because EA I think is going up. Yeah. She's 20K. 11 pips.
News round.
If this closes like that, and then we get next one pulled back here, comes down, Nice sell.
Yeah. Now wait for a retest. Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Wait for a retest.
No FOMO.
No FOMO.
See, this is perfect when I mapped it out. It's nice. So it seems like this 15 minutes about to close just below. We get the next 15 minutes candle to pull back till this line and then come down, breaks this low, we take it down, targeting 1.30145. Let's do it. Do you guys want to enter on the 15 or 30?
Just wait for the 30. I would wait for the 30. If I miss it, I miss it.
Farhan?
Let's take a small position on 15.
Okay.
Hmm.
Are you in? Let me
Yeah.
know when you.
Yeah.
When did you take the entry? When it broke?
Yeah.
Stop loss is huge. It's
Yeah.
huge.
You should have pulled back though. But I guess since it's London closed.
It wants to make the lower wick of the weekly now,
I think so.
which is impossible.
So on MT4, when you enter the trade and it calculates your commission too.
Sorry?
On MT4, it calculates your commission too with your profits.
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know that. So I secured some half position and I seen 5 pips. Let me close it. Let's go. Out. Jeez.
You're done.
That's it. We waited and executed. Good job, guys.
You know, if we had to enter, you waited for the candle to break. We could have also entered when this closed like this.
Sorry, enter when it closed like this? Like the 30 minutes?
Not the 30 minutes, the 15. I mean, like if you wanted to do the 15 minutes, you could have just entered when it closed below the zone.
Yeah, that's true. But the one thing that I didn't want is that if it broke it, there wouldn't be any pullback. You know? So I thought it would just go straight, and that's what it did. But for me, I wanted to see if it would pull back there, then take it. You know, take a small there and wait by 30 minutes candle to close. Take it when it breaks the low. Continue going down. Was anyone out or?
Yeah,
I didn't
man.
take it.
Oh, you didn't take it, Omar?
No. That's okay.
How many pips, Farhan?
4 pips, I think.
Nice.
No, let me see. Five pips.
Nice. Yeah, I have like 5.5 and the other one's like 4. It's gonna continue going down to 30, 145.
It doesn't have any traffic now.
No, it's
On the
good
left.
traffic, yeah.
But it's okay. Good for the day. So.
Yeah, and that's what I'm saying. Since it had no traffic, so we could have also taken the entry, like when it closed below the zone.
Yeah.
Like honestly, what I was looking for, like if you go to 4 hour, as soon it broke all the previous 4 hour candles, I wanted to enter that area, like the gray line which you have created.
Yeah, this one right here.
Yeah, because so as soon it broke all the 4 hour wicks, like there were like 2 of them, 2, 3.
Yeah.
So I just wanted to take the sell after this gray area because there was nothing below.
But that's good that we waited,
Yeah.
for the right time. And we also, how long the trade was for?
Yeah, that's right.
10 minutes.
That's right. That's
Yes.
right.
Hi guys, good morning, having a good day.
Hello, Sean.
Good
How are you?
morning.
Yes, good day.
Yeah.
How's your morning?
It's good, it's good. Yep, busy with work.
Nice. I mean, it's not nice that you're busy with work, but nice that you're enjoying your day,
Yeah, yep.
with Omar.
Yeah, that's right, yep. Omar is busy as well, but yep, we will be enjoying it during the day, I guess.
Good. Farhan, as soon as you leave, it's gonna hit target.
Sorry.
As soon as you leave, it's gonna hit target.
I'm out of the trade.
Yeah, I meant like the trade would go. As soon as you leave the group chat.
Okay.
Yeah, this thing has to come down.
Are you guys still holding it?
Nah, secured 5 pips. That's it.
Oh, okay, yeah, you don't have the actual amount. Yeah.
Yeah,
got it.
yeah. I don't even have funds. I'm trading demo.
What about Farhan?
Oh no, Farhan, he is out of the
No, I
trade.
closed it in 5 pips because it was. I wasn't so confident about it, but I just got 5%. I was out.
Nice.
Oh man. Today was the day.
It's always the
There's
day.
always a day, exactly.
It's okay.
But it's okay because it was like stress free and it was fast, you know? Instead of holding in, it's like being stressed out.
And these are unstoppable.
Yeah. Come on, 145. Yeah, basically that was target.
Yeah.
20 pips almost, not 15 pips from the entry.
Open the 30-minute.
So if we waited for the 30 minutes to pull back,
Yeah.
I mean it could still probably can pull back, but not sure. Beautiful way. Omar,
Yeah.
Nawaf is not coming because of you.
Why? Why?
No, I'm joking.
Because I told him yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
You made him sad. No, I'm just talking shit.
yeah.
Come on, let's go. I want to play the horn. Reach target. Farhan, are you gonna share your results?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
So are we still looking for any trade or
No.
Umar?
No.
Omar maybe.
Okay.
Well, I'll only look if I see a retest.
Okay.
Okay, just be careful.
But I have to control because it's Friday.
Yeah,
Yeah. True.
because this also could be a fake out, you know, it starts changing direction. Because it's at a major support, which is like the weekly. Right? Just be careful of that. Like, make sure the 30 minutes respects this line.
Yeah.
And let's continue going down fill this week, probably. The 1 hour. Yeah. I'm gonna head out, guys.
Sure.
Yeah. Thank you
You
for
take
coming,
care.
everyone.
You too.
Take care, Umar.
Okay, guys. Thank you.
See you guys Sunday.
Yeah.
Sunday, sure.
Alright. Have a good day, everyone.
You too, guys.
Peace, Sean. Take care.
Take care.